Oh, that's the look at the playground.
Where is it?
Right back there. Oh, let's take him there. Oh, look at the boat ride too. Wow, look at the boat ride. Wow. See guys, people riding the boat. And this is the canopy walk, by the way. That's the canopy walk. Yeah, this is the botanical garden. Look at people riding the boat. Let's go see the people riding the boat. Wow, look at that. Yeah, you can see people riding the boat. Wow, so it's on here. There are a lot of birds there too. A lot of birds. Wow, this is where they do boat ride. Or canoe, not a boat. And there's all birds around it. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. There's a lot of them in one boat though. Hey, you're going to see what Dad is. Hey. Huh? What? Where are you going? Where are you going?
Careful.
So you want to do the canopy first? Because it looks like canopy goes all the way down.
Oh yeah, come on in. Do we have to pay for it or we just do it?
No, we paid everything at the door and then we just go up.
Is it?
Yeah, I didn't see no one there. Everyone is free.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, look at people. Look at those couple chilling in the boat there. Romantic boat, Titanic boat.
He's very adventurous, right?
Yeah. You want to do the canopy first?
Yeah. Alright, got a photo.
Nice. Oh, so that's the canopy walk.
Yeah.
It went all the way.
Organize a long way.
Oh wow.
And they don't even have security to guide people there.
You pay only once and you come in, you know, at the gate. You have to pay here, you pay here too. Playground.
Entrance for free. The playground people to pay for it.
Now you can walk. It's always the opposite way. Always. Always.
What do you say?
Here, look, this way. You want me to hold him? Hey. He said you pay for playground. Even Gambia, we don't pay for playground.
I don't think only indoor playground.
Huh?
Not outdoor.
What? And there's nothing there. It's only the thing.
Gambia, when we have a dream park, a park government took from the owners, you just go inside free. There are a lot of places. It's from the main road to the beach.
The beach is massive.
So you pay for only some games. They give you 5 tickets each for free. The rest you pay for it.
Oh, look, that's the end. Wow. Wow.
Pretty decent, right?
Yeah, pretty decent. Yeah.
Like I'm happy not to go on.
Oh, you see the, but also do you see the play? Oh, this is just the woodland. Oh, this is me right here. Yeah, boat ride. Yeah. They put 54 people in there. No, not a single one has a life jacket on. And there's all the water there. People in the canoe. Lot of birds, though. Heaps of birds. Lot of birds here, wow. Lot of species of birds. That's another canoe there. And this is the canopy walk. Oh, canopy walk, we can even walk on and start. And then go back to him there, sitting there. You have to pay. The old man. Ooh, I saw, look, bird. What's that? Whoa, oh no. Whoa. Oh no. It's not well looked after, it's not well managed. The people on the boat. And you can also have picnic there if you want. Families having picnics. Wow, nice. Oh, fat. Barbecue.
Why? Why? Every time. You should copy. Marching, marching, marching. Come on, march. You marching?
March. I'm marching one by one.
Hurrah, hurrah. The ants are marching one by one. Hurrah. Let's go.
This is the rope course. Wow.
Cool your neck down. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath. Oh, we're supposed to be on this one.
You don't do this on Cape Coast.
This
is more scary.
Yeah, this is more scary, yeah. Wow. Wow, they got the rope course. This one. That's the coach there.
Okay. Now one hand on the rope.
Oh wow, wow, look at that. Damn. Yo. That's the coach. That's the coach there. Damn.
Ready?
Damn. Damn.
One hand. The other hand better than I did. Yeah, yeah. She have a lot of scatter over here. Doing the whole job for her. One hand. The other hand.
She will make it. She will definitely make it. Wow.
This one you cannot come down unless you finish it all.
Yeah, you have to finish it here all the way to the end. Oh.
I will not do this so.
Yeah.
You must do all this.
You go all the way to the end? Oh.
I cannot do this.
Nah, no way. No way.
Yeah, I won't try it too.
Huh?
I need a mom.
No, no way.
Come on. Put it together. Bring it together. Yeah, hold it that way. Let's go. Bra, walk forward. Be serious, yeah. Bra, let's go. Right.
These are the coaches here. You see, these are the people looking after it. Oh, there you go.
Turn and take a step there. Take a step. Good.
Ooh. Eat. I don't.
Yeah, Humani Sensi, yeah, Humani Sensi. When I met you now. When it's ready, please look. Yoko. You can come.
But they always eat hard.
No, look at this one.
Are you sure?
There you go.
Almost.
Now stretch your hands. Yeah, bring the other leg forward. Bring it. Good. Okay, keep stretching and stepping. Yeah.
You said you're even doing better than them.
You catch up with it. Come. Give a close marking. Go on the next one. Step on to the next
Oh
one.
wow. Oh wow.
Okay. Don't worry. You know.
Damn. Damn. Avi, off. Go, one more.
You can do it.
Go, you can do it, Aziz.
Yeah, look at
You can do it, go. You can do it.
Yay.
Wow, look at the water lily. It has water lilies and stuff. Dragonflies.
Come on, Bobby. You can do it.
Yay!
Woo!
Ooh, the survival course. You finished it this way. Yay! You can see the smile on his face. Yay! Hey!
He's
Hey!
dancing.
He's dancing. He liked it. Whoa! Ah, that's the playground. This playground you have to pay. This playground. That's the playground. Kids playground. Wow, this is all in the botanical garden. Yeah. This is all in the botanical garden. Yeah. Wow. Wow. And they have beans here too. See the beans. The beans here. So the kids playground.
He's finally walking the right way.
Ah, yeah, it's finally walking on the right way. There we go. You see how easy it is, Aziz? Where you go, separate, you go different route.
Make you all yours. You understand?
Hola.
Then be paying 30 Ghana series to come in and pay another 30, another 30, 25, 15.
Here's the toilet. Look, all this money they've been getting here. They should even make it nicer. Yeah, they took the slides off. Normally they should attach a slide to that one there. These are the toilets. Actually, the toilets are decent.
Can you watch him? I need to wash my hands, babe.
Oh yeah. You wanna wash his hands too?
Mine, and then I'll put him.
Yeah. Wow.